While I was researching facts for anti-aging, I came across an awesome website called longlonglife.org, which not only discusses the causes of aging in depth, it also provides a list of fact sheets on the proven food, supplements, and drugs that helps in anti-aging. And the greater news is they are all evidence-based. Stay tuned to find out as I will discuss the first 5 in this video today. Hi, my name is William and welcome to my channel where I share science-based evidences on products, claims, and effective methods related to health and beauty concerns so you can make an informed buying power. If you are new to my channel, I upload a new video every Friday, so please subscribe if you haven't and click on the notification bell to get notified of new videos. And for any one of you who are interested, when available, links to cited articles and research papers are listed in description below. Aging is a process that most people would like to slow. Some of its main causes include accumulated cellular damage caused by free radicals and the shortening of telomere, which are the structures located at the ends of our chromosomes that play an important role in cellular division. While aging is inevitable, increasing the human lifespan and slowing the aging process has been a focus of scientific research for decades. Through that research, scientists have identified a large number of substances that have anti-aging properties, many of which can be taken as supplements by those looking for natural ways to decelerate the aging process and prevent age-related diseases. Today, I will be only handpicking the top 14, while there are many other supplements out there that may also offer anti-aging effects. Curcumin is the active ingredient of turmeric. The molecule is known for its preventive virtues against cancer and neurodegenerative diseases, but many studies still grant its many other benefits, notably on the regulation of telomere length, inflammation, or simply on skin aging. It is well known that inflammation plays a key role in aging. Several studies have highlighted the positive impact of curcumin supplementation in metabolic diseases, neurodegenerative diseases, or cancers, the main common phenomenon of which is inflammation. Several studies on mice have shown the effectiveness of curcumin on 3 common types of cancer: colon, lung, and prostate. In all studies, tumor size was significantly reduced and post-treatment survival was increased up to 3 times. The most common explanation of this effect is that curcumin is able to regulate the expression of certain pro-cancer proteins by binding onto the genes and coding them. In the context of neurodegenerative diseases, a study examined the methods of telomeres and their regulations by curcumin. It seems that it affects telomerase, the enzyme responsible for telomere elongation during cell division. By increasing telomerase expression, telomeres are preserved longer, thus increasing the lifespan of our cells. The uses of curcumin are extremely diverse, which include prevention of skin aging. By adding turmeric extracts to mask or cream, it has been shown to have a major effect on reducing the appearance of wrinkles and sebum production. At the systemic level, the antioxidant action of curcumin has a beneficial impact on skin aging. Curcumin also helps in prevention and treatment of autoimmune diseases, increased neurogenesis, treatment of erectile dysfunction, and prevention of hypercholesterol. It goes by the scientific name of epigallocatechin gallate, but we will simplify it as EGCG. This green tea extract has been known for a long time for its very powerful antioxidant capacities. It is also found in white tea and in smaller quantities in black tea. This catechin is now the focus of attention, particularly in the treatment of cancer and the prevention of neurodegenerative diseases. EGCG is not only an antioxidant but also plays an active role in reducing bad cholesterol, which are LDL levels. One of the first studies to demonstrate this effect dates from 2008, but since then several other clinical studies have obtained similar results. This cholesterol-lowering effect also occurs in patients with hyperlipidemia, a major risk factor for cardiovascular disease. As our brain ages, many proteins become split, displaced, or modified, giving way to more or less pronounced degeneration and various pathologies. EGCG, via the intake of 3 to 6 cups a day of green tea, helps reduce these neuronal effects and protect against certain diseases, including Alzheimer's and Huntington. A Japanese team also demonstrated that supplementation with EGCG reduced the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease by 4 times and promoted the formation and maintenance of synaptic connections between neurons. EGCG also plays an important role in the response to oxidative stress and gene regulation, 2 central mechanisms of aging. By regulating these mechanisms, the EGCG actively participates in the fight against aging. Other benefits of EGCG includes reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and cardiovascular accidents through its cholesterol-lowering effects, preventing obesity and diabetes. Now, it was found that regular consumers of green tea have a lower percentage of body fat, especially in the stomach, than the population that does not drink green tea at all. Through a mimetic mechanism of insulin, EGCG helps lower blood glucose, thereby reducing body weight, hunger, and insulin levels. EGCG is also an excellent candidate for cancer prevention. Coenzyme Q10, also known as ubiquinone, is known for its key role in the bioenergetic metabolism of mitochondria, the lung of our cells. Today, its antioxidant effect is the subject of many studies aimed at reducing the effects of age on our skin, heart, and brain. At the same time, it has been shown that CoQ10 naturally present in our cells is a good biomarker of biological age. CoQ10 is a vitamin-like substance whose main role is to participate in the transport of electrons in mitochondria. Adequate concentration of CoQ10 is essential to guarantee cellular breathing and the production of ATP, our main cellular energy source. At the same time, CoQ10 functions as an antioxidant, a role it plays in all our cells by binding itself to lipoproteins and protecting them. CoQ10 is recognized as a potent regulator of gene expression. Supplementation with it or compounds increasing its natural concentration has shown a plethora of beneficial effects on cell signaling, metabolism, and inflammation. By binding to lipoproteins, CoQ10 protects them from oxidation, both within the cell membranes and in circulating lipids such as LDL. As a result, it is a powerful preventive agent against cardiovascular disease. It also has a preventive effect against arterial aging via endothelial cell protection mechanisms. Other benefits of CoQ10 include neuroprotective effect, anti-cancer, infertility control as CoQ10 has been shown to delay menopause and partially treat infertility in mice, and finally, fight against skin aging. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide is a cofactor, which means a molecule allowing the action of certain enzymes and the good operation of our cells. There are 2 forms of nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, the reduced form NADH or oxidized form NAD+. NAD+ plays an essential role in the production of energy by mitochondria. Our body cell goes through cycles of growth, repair, and survival, all of which take up a lot of energy. In the field of aging, NAD+ is a fundamental cofactor to guarantee the action of certain enzymes involved in particular in DNA repair and the regulation of cellular stress. Sirtuins are a family of proteins that regulate cellular health and plays a key role in regulating cellular balance. However, sirtuins can only function in the presence of NAD+. Cellular levels of NAD+ decrease as we age for an unknown reason. Many researchers believe that the close relationship between NAD+ availability and sirtuin activity is the main factor in controlling the components of aging and promoting longevity. NAD+ also functions as cancer prevention, as studies have shown that NAD+ depletion in cells promotes cell degeneration and cancer. Resupplying the cells with NAD+ is therefore a means to prevent the onset of cancer. NAD+ also prevent neurodegenerative diseases. Resveratrol is a polyphenol notably found in black grapes, which was initially noticed for its cardioprotective properties, and then for its ability to prevent the occurrence and development of cancer in vitro and in vivo. It then appeared that resveratrol was a molecule capable of activating the enzyme sirtuin-1, and that it extended life expectancy in yeast and various organisms like nematode, fly, and fish. Resveratrol is a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals and prevents them from damaging cells. Through two complementary actions, it protects the inner wall of arteries against damage caused by free radicals and optimizes vasodilatation by protecting the body's ability to produce nitric oxide. The benefits of resveratrol are diverse, and hundreds of studies, mostly on animals, has been conducted and demonstrated several benefits that help promote and protect our health. In addition to the role of its prevention of age-related diseases, other studies have been conducted over the past 2 decades, establishing a direct relationship between resveratrol and extended lifespan. Among this, a study showed that resveratrol mimics caloric restriction, the main anti-aging strategy documented so far. Animal testing has shown that caloric restriction induced by resveratrol can prolong animal life by 60%. Other resveratrol properties include prevention of cardiovascular diseases, as resveratrol helps to lower bad cholesterol, prevent hardening of the arteries, and maintain constant pressure. It also helps in cancer prevention and skin aging. Resveratrol can be consumed by drinking red wine, eating dark chocolate, or red fruits, for example, and also by taking natural supplements. Knowing that wine consumption can lead to health risks related to alcohol, the natural preference of most people is to take resveratrol as a supplement. So there you have it, the first part of the top 14 anti-aging supplements according to science. What do you think of these supplements? Are you taking any of these? And where do you get them? Do let me know on the comments below. A huge shout out to longlonglife.org for a wonderful contribution to anti-aging science and their dedication in sharing the latest information and research on aging to the world. Do check them out on the links below, and I'll see you next week for my second part.